Who can condemn my property? Your property can be taken through eminent domain or land condemnation through a number of state and federal rules and regulations. From a numbers perspective, most land is taken by the state of North Carolina's Department of Transportation. In addition to the DOT, however, your land can also be taken by the federal government, the North Carolina Department of Administration, local cities, counties or municipalities, and even in some cases, private businesses. Land may be taken for a whole host of reasons, including new or expanded roadways, bridges or overpasses, cell phone towers, railways or high-speed rail systems, underground public utilities such as water and sewer, above-ground utilities such as power lines, cable or communications, hospitals, public housing, schools, and dams. Basically, your land can be taken as long as two conditions are met. One, the condemnation is necessary for a public use or purpose. And two, they pay you just compensation for the land that is taken. Now, the first condition, that the land is necessary for a public use, has a pretty low threshold. The government doesn't have to pick the best road route or use a design that impacts the least number of people, or even choose the one that costs the least. As long as they can show a public use or purpose, then they'll be able to move ahead. In the majority of cases, you'll not likely win this fight. The second condition is about paying fair compensation. This one is trickier. Fair compensation is not what the government says your land is worth. In fact, fair compensation is the value that your attorney negotiates, or what a jury says the land is worth. Studies reflect that on average, a landowner with a lawyer gets paid approximately 3 times what a landowner typically receives on their own. The power of the government is impressive, and while you may not be able to stop the government from taking your land, you can fight to make sure that you receive fair value for your land that is taken. For help negotiating the value of your land, call HensonFuerst today at 800-452-9633 or visit our website at nclandlawyer.com.